How to uninstall Google Home. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove this app. First of all, navigate to the place where the app is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. Now we are in this app info. In other mobile devices, you can directly go to settings and open app info. Here on the bottom, there's an uninstall button. Tap on uninstall. Now, before removing the app, make sure you have your user ID and password saved for later because you might need it, and there are even other devices connected to it. At last, tap on OK. Now it will take some time, so let's wait for some time, and it's completely gone from my device. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.